Machita siyancokola lapha bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs ine head coach entsha. So ngabe singalindelanga bazoba ngibalo head coach, but izinto zenzeka ibhola le. If awuyazi lo way ndiyazi ba ubujongephi because ndiyazi ba ujongephi Kaizer Chiefs if awuyazi ba ne coach entsha. But ke if awuyazi always so khobana bangazazi izinto izinto because like bona mhlawumbe bazikhona izinto bezikubambile bezenye ingxaki mhlawumbe. Andiyazi mhlawumbe just for some reason khange uzithole, but Kaizer Chiefs if zindaba kuwe le way Kaizer Chiefs ine head coach entsha nguthiwa nguNtsefi ba ndithi nguNtsefi ngole mek. Molefi Ntseki head coach entsha Kaizer Chiefs. So jonga ke ngopha le video ba okay Molefi Ntseki uthanda ukudlala AP formation as a new Kaizer Chiefs coach. Jonga history yakhe ke ngoku coach ba AP formation athanda usebenzisa. Jonge Ntseki most like most of his career yakhe qala before angene assistant coaching is essentially a developer. He used to be like a head of youth Bloemfontein Celtic. Wasuka pha wayake Bafana Bafana, not Bafana Bafana, national team SAFA, South African Football Association. Wenza ntoni pha waba coach under 17. After under 17 why coach under 20. Suka pha why assistant coaching ke Bafana Bafana, assistant bani pha. I think his first coach that assisted pha now was, I think before Stuart Baxter. When was it before Stuart Baxter Bafana Bafana? But it was Stuart Baxter by assistant ka Stuart Baxter. Assistant ka, who was the next coach after Baxter? Gila knows Bafana Bafana. But yeah, Ntseki but spanning up Baxter by Bafana Bafana as assistant coach, and then came by head coach after that, like to everyone's shock. But only lasted 9 matches. So kulapho ke sibonile okay Ntseki as a head coach when he's in charge uthanda udlala ibhola enjani, uthanda set up njani team yakhe. Boni his favorite playing formation sibone pha Bafana Bafana. Before Kaizer Chiefs aphinda buyele kwi development where he was like head of youth Kaizer Chiefs and also like the technical director last season before the shock decision ba okay maybe head coach. But maybe ke head coach or in charge ba okay nguye ngoku ushayelayo Kaizer Chiefs. I mean kwi Bafana Bafana about 2 seasons ago. Sabona pa from the 9 matches umsheki yabonakala siba okay AP favorite formation yakhe. Abanye abantu bazothi bahamba ni say way formation it depends on the player unazo. Yeah, effect lo way, but if u coach a national team it doesn't depend on the player unazo. National team will select players, will select a squad. So uyakwazi uformisha identity ngokwakho oba okay team yakho idlala njani, ba okay how is the system set up. So Ntseki phana wanazo the tools ne freedom for ba okay maga allow create identity yakhe, the system adlala ngayo as a coach. We got 9 matches phana, and then whether matches most of the games formation standing out as his favorite. Yeah, by 4-2-3-1. 4-2-3-1 favorite formation ka Molefi Ntseki, new coach at Kaizer Chiefs. Generally most formations always either have like 3 or 4 players in defense. So one akowe ngathi unique pa. But the way stand out Ntseki is how many midfielders as preferayo ubanazo in a team, and also in a number 10 position. But uthanda ubana number 10 or 1 or number 10 by 2 when you know number 10 at all. That's where coaches they differ. It's either do you like to play with 1 midfielder or 2 midfielders when you do play with 1 10, 2 10s or no 10 at all. Ntseki information like as ithuke yeah by 4-2-3-1 enye because isebenzisa i3-4-3 Bafana Bafana, and then also wadlala as a 4-4-2, but you know 6-6 4-4-2 yakhe. Yeah, and that's the way formations like too many numbers, but apho khona differences ne-clarity ilapha central midfield like number 10 position. But the favorite formation yakhe is I say by 4-2-3-1 because that's where yona system ayisebenzisa kakhulu Bafana Bafana and awine games ngayo. Kla 4-2-3-1 yakhe besebenzisa umuntu ofana Dean Furman Omokocho bekadlala uDean Furman noMokocho wadlalisa uDaiding uZungu Furman wadlalisa no Kutsie bekadlala noJali but much of the time uthanda u6-2 bekadlala no Bongani Zungu bekadlala ubona ngane Zungu la system. But basically Ntseki umuntu uthanda udlala ngona 6-2. So Kaizer Chiefs most likely kwenye we can expect like 90% chance but under Ntseki ayizodlala ngo6-1 odlala ngo6-2. Right now Chiefs ngoku abantu badlala okay sizofika la out yase South America eVenezuela Tom Castillo bengenza ivideo ngayo umjito ngayijonga le timeline yale channel. Mthitha ngo number 6 Kaizer Chiefs, and then bekhona Samkelo Zwane, bekhona no Siyathemba Sithebe. So these are the players is about important kwi football ka Molefi Ntseki Kaizer Chiefs because Ntseki uthanda udlala ngo6-2-6. Bone players fana no Furman noZungu, sibone national team of Furman noZungu, Mokocho, Kutsie. Any into stand out in Ntseki is how he uses the number 10. Because games like Bafana Bafana, only one game where sibone out and out number 10 where Ntseki is number 10, and because Ntseki udlala ngo6-2 means ba number 10 is likely for number 10 1 okanye number 10 angabikho at all oyi-1 anye at all because he likes two midfielders. Game ezininzi Ntseki bedlala i-players ezidlala like creative player like uZwane bedlala wide uZwane bedlala zama 10 but Ntseki Bafana Bafana bedlala wide nje like bedlala inside left and inside right. Mutawu bengadlala as a 10 bedlala inside right or inside left, and sabona same thing Kaizer Chiefs okay most likely for ba angadlali as a 10 umuntu ofana no Umduduzi Shabalala okanye Umduduzi Mtanzane okanye uKhamapile yathi afuneka bedlale as inside left and inside right kuNtseki because Ntseki uthanda information engu4-2-3-1 okanye adlale as a 3-4-3. Another thing as well is Ntseki uthanda striker IC1, so we should not expect okay nobody coaches since alone these days anyway, so I got discussion engakwa for about okay Ntseki striker IC1 because ngabile ngo team striker IC2. Bafana Bafana bedlala ngo target man like bone out and out strong number 9 Bradley Grobler bedlalile uDaiding especially out uLebohang Motiba bedlala eFrance Strasbourg bedlala kakhulu as a target man number 9 Kaizer Chiefs. Beke badlala no Lyle Foster lodlala ki Burnley Premier League ngo England na being number 9 Ntseki. So again expect to say the same thing Kaizer Chiefs about Ntseki. Akazobeka number 9 number 2 kwanye u10 or 9 uzoba ngu-lone striker abantu bafana noChristian Sayile kwanye le outifikayo uRanga Chivaviro bazodlala as lone strikers under Ntseki Kaizer Chiefs. So yeah, this is the expectation we must have Gamajita in terms of the playing style like Kaizer Chiefs. Ntseki is a coach that prefers and likes to play with two central midfielders on number 6 and also one striker and inside forwards, not really number 10. See kanye sibona number 10 number 2 asizibona lo way. It's very unlikely for ba kusema sibone way njalo, but sizobona if ikhona nje way ngakhange ndiyimention okanye ndipost le note Machita ngala ninxa lapha i-comments ba okay Ntseki in terms of playing style yakhe and preferences zakhe ngasinqola lapha i-comments njalo uyapha kule channel. Otherwise if uqala ubana le channel le content ungalahli jonga lali cofa subscribe khona indawo ezansi bhala subscribe ngocofa pha uzothola i-videos show Machita.